Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all my dear student and Assalamu alaikum and good morning. So that your thesis is completed. This video is very important and very brief. Some student ask me when do I reject the null hypothesis. So here is the answer. How do we reject the null hypothesis? There are two hypotheses in our thesis we are addressing. One is research hypothesis, the other is null hypothesis. Research hypothesis is those in which we lead the our research progress, right, throughout the procedure. And the null hypothesis is assuming hypothesis. Before we conduct, we develop null hypothesis so that we check the result of our thesis, right? I give you an example how you just assume the relationship between leadership style and organization politics is a strong relationship, but there is no relationship actually. So you just assume, you are not sure about either relationship exists or not. So just you assume yourself, right? So here is the answer. How do you reject the null hypothesis? You only reject null hypothesis when your p-value is smaller than your alpha value. Alpha value is those which is in critical region, right? And if your f value, f capital value is unless you have a p-value, f value basically is your ANOVA value, right? I give you an example. I discuss it here. One way ANOVA has p-value is 0.68 and alpha value is 0.005%. As a p-value is large, 0.68 is large than 0.05, you should not reject the null hypothesis. But if your value is 0.004, 0.002, then you accept the null hypothesis. However, your f value is 4.0 with a critical value of 3.2. So you do not reject the null hypothesis. You only reject when your alpha value 0.05, either it's 0.05, 0.10, 0.02. You reject when null hypothesis, when your hypothesis accepted value or your given value of alpha value is p value is below than 0.05, 0.01.0, either which you alpha scale you are studying right now. So here is the example. But in this case, however, your f value is 4 with f critical value of 3.2. One value indicates you should not, right? You should now reject the null hypothesis. So answer, what is your answer? Definitely you said no, because your value is not below than 0.05. Either your value is 0.68 and it is in large than 0.05. So you do not reject the null hypothesis. So here is the reason why we reject the null hypothesis. Our null hypothesis rejected and research hypothesis which mean accepted. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay connected for next video, and Khuda Hafiz and bye bye.